Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are enjoying your weekend. So today I am here to narrate a story which is a novel basically which is known as The Merchant of Venice by William Shakespeare. So let's begin the novel with the first chapter. So our first chapter is uh, chapter 1, then it talks about the Merchant of Venice itself. So Italy, as you must be knowing, is a European country near England and France. So Italy in the 16th century, a time when kings still ruled, men still wooed, and fortune still sunk at sea. The place Venice, which is located in Italy, one of the richest in the world, where passions ran high for love, for money, for religion and even for flesh. मतलब उनमें काफ़ी हाई पैशन रहते थे, लव के लिए, मनी के लिए, रिलीजन, धर्म के लिए या फ्लैश के लिए भी. फ्लैश जैसा कि आप सब ने उसमें भी पढ़ा है, हमने सोशल साइंस में भी पढ़ा है, फोर्थ में फ्लैश होता है ना कि मतलब मांस खाना जो. सो इन दिस सिटी ऑफ riches and of passions lived the princess, the dukes, the merchants, the rich heiress, and the money lenders. And since all stories must perforce begin with once upon a time, so too does this one. Once upon a time there was a wealthy ship owner called Antonio, quite simply a merchant of Venice. Antonio had a prosperous business. His ships plied the seas with precious cargo of silks and spices, and he was considered one of the most honorable men in all of Venice, respected by all and hated by none. Means रिस्पेक्टेड बाय ऑल, उसी को पासिव वॉइस में लिखा हुआ है कि जितने भी वहाँ लोग रहते थे, द फेलो मेंबर्स, द रेजिडेंट, सारे एंटोनियो करते थे, कोई उससे नफरत नहीं करता था. वेल ऑलमोस्ट कोई उससे नफरत नहीं करता था क्योंकि लिखा हो ना हेटेड बाय नन. ओके, बट समटाइम्स रेस्ट ऑफ मैन कैन ओवरकम by an explained sense of sadness, like Antonio was. So here was a fortunate but cheerless man surrounded by friends, each attempting to lift his sagging spirits. Then, is this the fate of your ships? Asks Solanio. Hopefully. Or perhaps it is love, adds Salarino. Five, says Antonio, dismissing them both. Even Gratiano, the spelling is, if you would like me to spell it, sure, I will spell it. The spelling is Gratiano, believed to talk more than any other man in Venice, and makes less sense than most, cannot lift his spirits. As they stroll slowly along a street in Venice, this motley group is joined by some more friends, among them Bassanio, one of Antonio's closest friends. So what do we understand by this? That Antonio and Bassanio, BASSANIO were the closest friends. मतलब उनकी मित्रता, उनकी दोस्ती काफ़ी अच्छी थी. मित्रता का ही जो दूसरा वर्ड होता है ना, उसी का पर्यायवाची होता है दोस्ती. So when we all part ways a short while later, Bassanio, finally finding himself along with Antonio, lays bare his soul to him, telling that he loves Cato's daughter, Portia, who is a beautiful and virtuous woman and a rich heiress in Belmont. News of her beauty has spread far and wide, and renowned suitors have tried to win her hand. मतलब काफ़ी सूटर्स ने ट्राई किया उसका दिल जीतने का. So, but much as he would like to court Portia, Bassanio admits sadly that he lacks the means to do so. Antonio assures him that his purse and his person are at his friend's service, and tells him that since all his money is at sea, to get credit in his name of Venice. In another part of Italy too, there are young people who seem as weary of the world as Antonio. At Belmont, the beautiful Portia tells her waiting maid Nerissa that her frail form is weary of the world, dunya. She complains that she can neither choose who likes, not refuse, who she dislikes, as she follow the will of her dead father. Nerissa tells Portia to take comfort in the fact that her virtuous father devised the lottery of the three chests before his death with the intentions for his daughter's fortune. The rules of the lottery were simple. Of the three chests, one of gold, the other of silver, and the third of lead, only one carried the portrait of Portia, and only the suitor who chose the correct casket would get to marry Portia. Okay, so in this way the novel is it's a very lengthy novel. So let's continue in the next class. Till then, take care, stay safe.